Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ninong Rolly. Take care and God bless.
Kuya, happy birthday. All the best for your birthday, Kuya Rolly. God bless you po and many more birthdays to come.
Hi, Kuya Rolly. Happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday celebration in the Philippines. God bless.
Happy birthday, Lolo. Di po kami makapunta. May sakit po si Rian.
Rolly, happy birthday. Sorry, hindi kami makapunta. Kasi sa Biyernes may check-up ako. Tapos si Rian may lagnat pa. Kaya gustuhon man namin pumunta. Hindi kami makapunta. Happy birthday. May you have many more birthdays to come. Long life. And more blessings and good health. Sorry, di kami makapunta. Bye!
Kuya Rolly, happy birthday, Kuya. Wish namin na sana you always in good health and enjoy always, not only in your birthday, but every day. And we'll see you soon here, Kuya, in Hong Kong. And sorry, Kuya, hindi makapagbati siya pa dahil late na siya dumating at saka kung nandito man nahiya siya. So, enjoy your big birthday, Kuya, and God bless to you and to your whole family, Kuya. Yes, Francis, Kuya.
Hello, Rolly. Wish you happy birthday. Wish you a good health and a good life. See you soon in Hong Kong.
We love you, Kuya. We love you, Lolo Lori. See you soon. Happy birthday again, Kuya. Enjoy your big day. God bless you and to your whole family, Kuya. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday po, Kuya Rolly. Pasensya na po, hindi po kami makakapunta. May lagnat po ang aking prinsesa. God bless po, good health po. Happy birthday. Ikaw naman.
Ikaw, magsalita ka.
Dali, say mo happy birthday, Lolo. Dali.
Sige na! Party eh.
Dali.
Sige na kasi.
Dali, dali na. Happy birthday,
Wala si
Lolo.
Kuya, kasabay mo.
Oh.
Kasabay mo si Kuya. So, Kuya, sabayan mo si Kuya.
God bless him.
Sabayan mo, Ren.
Happy birthday po ulit, Kuya Rolly.
Hooray! Kuya, happy birthday! Wish ko lang po long life and of course good health at maraming blessing pa po para magpabalik-balik pa kayo Hong Kong to Manila to Hong Kong. And ang wish ko talaga is pumunta kayo pa ng US. Pero babalik din kayo dito sa Hong Kong. At happy birthday to all the February celebrant, including me. Happy birthday, Kuya! Mwah! Happy birthday, Kuya! I wish you